Hello, this is Solving Inequalities, Compound Inequalities, Example 4. Example 4, we have to solve this inequality, um, actually simplify it, I think would be a better term. And this is a compound inequality because it's all written together like this. It's an AND condition. So if you like, you can follow along in the book. They work all three of these parts together. I just find that much too confusing, and I will separate it into -5 less than or equal to minus x minus 3, and the other part, minus x minus 3, is less than or equal to 2. This one I prefer to switch it around so the x's are on the left hand side, and this is -x minus 3. Now the wide open side is toward this, so I have to preserve that. Okay, now it looks very similar to equations and inequalities that we've worked before. The plan is going to be to add 3 to both sides and then divide both sides by -1. So adding 3 to both sides, I end up with -x is greater than or equal to -2. And now when I multiply or divide actually both sides by -1, this becomes x less than or equal to +2. The inequality switched because whenever we multiply or divide by a negative, that's what it does. This one, the plan is much the same. Minus x less than or equal to 5 when we add 3 to both sides. Now x is greater than or equal to -5. Alright, next I'd like to graph these. If we graph them and they still go together, then it continues to be an AND condition. So x is less than or equal to 2. It's a closed dot on the 2, and less than is this way. X is greater than or equal to -5, so once again it's a closed dot on the -5, and greater than or equal to -5 is that way. So when we graph this, we graph everything between these two, and it is still an AND condition. And all we have left to do is put these two inequalities back together. You can put this one first, or you can put the second one first. The book seems to think it's more correct to start with the lesser number. It really doesn't matter, but I'll do it that way. That is going to be in the middle, x, and now the big wide open part of the symbol goes toward the x, and the small pointy part goes toward the -5. Here the pointy part goes toward the x, the small part, and the big part goes to the 2. So the solution is x is greater than or equal to -5, x is less than or equal to 2.